NTCL stock exploded in the, I think, regular session of yesterday. Yeah, regular session of yesterday, the 6th of May 2025, and even yet more in the post market session. And in this pre market session, even tried to, it just tested $81. Nothing has come up here on, yeah, something is here on, okay, it's just been printing some prices here on, I think, on Swim. So the folks at Medium, they're saying that, could this be? Yeah, could it? They're saying that that $93 is just the beginning of things. So NTCL, Netclass Technology Inc. was a relatively obscure tech play just a few days ago. Now it's moving with same energy that you probably noticed with RGC, a stock that famously ran from $7 to $240 in 2 months. Yesterday, NTCL closed at $33, up 162% from its previous close. During the after hours, it pierced through. Yeah, okay, yeah. In the, I think we have. Yeah, it reached the highs of around $79, leaving many wondering. Okay, is this hype or just the beginning of a retail fuel rocket? What's behind the NTCL surge? Sorry. This price action isn't random. Netclass recently announced a set of AI driven software enhancements for its B2B educational platforms, tech that could potentially integrate into several public sector contracts in Asia. In addition to strong earnings that showed a 10% quarter over quarter revenue increase, Netclass revealed the acquisition of a Japan-based Creation Solutions Co. Limited, expanding its footprint in the East Asian enterprise market. Stock Titan quietly reported the acquisition here, but fundamentals aside, something else is driving this move: retail momentum. So there's also this Discord server, MEMOB. Okay, the lot didn't originate from Wall Street. It came from a now viral Discord community known as Making Easy Money, a server that's grown into one of the fastest growing stock discussion hubs since early 2024. Yeah, okay. You'll see this link in the description box below. The group known for identifying early stage parabolic plays was the first to spotlight RGC before its legendary run from 6.85 to 240. That same group is now laser focused on NTC, and indeed also RGC is showing some strength. Okay, so this is what's going on now. NTCL is up. Okay, has lost some of the gains. Yeah. Okay, let's see RGC to confirm what's going on. It may not be showing anything. Okay, it's not active at the moment. RGC, you can see that 144.16, unbelievable. Yeah. Um, let's go back to NTCL and continue reading. Yeah, let's see now. Okay, so traditional analysts are skeptical. The company's valuation has ballooned overnight, and many point out that price discovery is in these low float names can be disconnected from fundamentals, but that hasn't stopped traders, especially those following momentum signals from piling in. Okay, according to Yahoo Finance data, volume surged by 600% compared to the previous week, and options activity has spiked as well. Okay, it's also optionable, so yeah, it's an interesting play. Optionable, yeah, yeah, interesting, yes. The road to $93 realistic or ridiculous? Here's what needs to happen for NTCL to reach that level by Wednesday. Sustained volume over 20 million shares. Doesn't really have to be that. I don't think so. Absence of a dilution, okay, or halts, yes, I agree with that. Clean technical break above $80. Yes, it tested 81, but yeah, I agree, yes. Negative PR or analyst downgrades, yes. Continued Reddit and Discord traction, yes. If these conditions hold, it's possible. If not, we could be looking at retracement fast and brutal. Yes, I mean expected a retracement to occur. You know, huge amount of gain. Yeah. But this the algos here right now. This is 1 minute chart. Here we have upper projections of 83.85, but we probably have to go all come down all the way to the 4 hour chart and see what we have in play here. What's been projected? Let's see. In terms of projections, nothing. We have a downward projection of 20.75. Okay, it's the stock hasn't been trading for a long time. That's also something you need to bear in mind. So no, the extrapolation, the extrapolations here is not okay. We have extrapolations on the 1 hour chart. Let's see whether we have any on the 2 hour chart. 2 hour chart. Let's see. Yeah, we have 2 hour chart. Let's see whether we have any on the 3 hour chart. The more durable it is, the better. Let's see 3 hour chart. No, we don't. So we're going to go back to the 2 hour chart. So on the 2 hour chart, we have retracements projected all the way down to $19.8. Yeah. So this is likely. This is, I mean, naturally expect this to happen. Expect this to happen. Yet at the same time, they could continue to pump it all the way towards even beyond $93. But you just have to be careful. Really have to be careful. I did know it's optionable. Yeah, that's also something we should look into. But I'll definitely continue to update you on this. But you have to be really careful. You have to be really careful. We could try and see what the trading range is. What the trading range is. We'll try and do that right now and see to just give you an impression of what's I mean, if you're trying to jump in, you need to what you need to be careful about. Okay, trading range. It's just going to give us let's see what trading range market grid. So let's see the market grid. Let's see. Let's come down here. Okay. Okay. Wow. Oh my goodness. Okay. Um, I can't. I can't. I can't. It's look at this 38. The range is between 38 and 38.96 and 120.557. Okay. So, but this is what the range is. We haven't. This is where we are right now. This is currently at $65. So it is still it's now in the support zone. It's now in the support zone. So the algos here are suggesting that it can get to the highs of around $120.57. But don't bank on that. Don't bank on that. Don't really bank on that. You have to be careful. Right now, it's still in the support regions. Support regions. And I was assuming I was going to see an indications that you should be not be in the stock. But right now, the indication is that yeah, things haven't. There still has some room to go. Still has some room to go. This is not an advice to buy. This is not an instruction to buy. This is not a yeah. This is not what it is. I'm trying to say, but this is just what the logic is saying. It's they saying that is actually just right in the middle of things. Right in the middle of things. Right in the middle of its trading range, based on this 2 hour chart. And entry points could be like $38.96 or something like that. So but just be very careful, just be really careful. This is really dicey. So I'll definitely continue to update you. I'll have a look at the options and see what's going on there. Okay, and thank you very much for watching this video.